accident, $745,000 for a trucking accident, $4.5 million for a hurt in a slip and fall accident. Sweet James delivers these kinds of wins regularly. They can't guarantee the outcome of your case, but you should have Sweet James on your side. So if you're hurt in an accident, call Sweet James. Pay nothing until they win. 809 million, sweetjames.com.
Getting through the frost with a cocktail in my hand. Toronto is the best, the best in the Southland. And now the top 5 reasons to visit Toronto. Number 5.
Gift a Day giveaway. Earn 500 points on your rewards card and get that day's awesome gift. Sweet Days, now until December 20th.
Number 4.
A no stress or mess holiday. Get a full holiday dinner for 8 to go at a special price.
3.
Get yourself a gift on the side. A lucky blackjack side bet to win you $5,000 in cash.
And the number 2.
Cow and Manziel, live December 28th. Get tickets now.
And the number 1 reason.
Our New Year's Eve gala is in full color. Live music, live DJs, countdown. This party will be colorful and full of good times.
Morongo, good times for everybody.
The Chasing Business Premier Card is made for people who make things happen. Like me. I'm Sam, founder and CEO of Manifest, a product design company that makes everyday products designed smarter. I get 2.5% cash back on purchases of $5,000 or more, plus unlimited 2% cash back on all other purchases, which helps us make more smart ideas into a brilliant reality.
The Inc. Business Premier Card. Learn more at chase.com/business premier. Chase your business and make more with yours. Real business owner compensating for their participation in account subject to credit approval. Restrictions and limitations apply. Cards are issued by JP Morgan Chase Bank. Any member FDIC.
My passion about Ancestry comes from the fact that I was an only child who didn't have family. I see all my friends doing family outings and family this, and I would spend weekends just lost in Ancestry. My first one I found was Liz. I was also an only child, and there were no big holiday gatherings where I got to know cousins or aunts. It's because of Ancestry we've kind of become bi-coastal besties.
The holidays are meant to be shared with family. Start today during our holiday sale at Ancestry.com.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. With powerful technology, actively finds and invites qualified candidates. You'll find your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
8:15, I'm Brian Payne. Coming up, next reaction to a proposal that would expand the number of LA City Council members. Charles Dalton goes to step. And a likely debate between Governor Newsom and Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. Right now, off 3 weeks to go. A check of your traffic. Here's Brian Douglas.
105 if you're going east, right as you come out to Vermont. So look for the 110. We've got an entry crash. Speed's running a break. Let's get this out of your middle lane. That has you kind of slow, almost back to Crenshaw. Well, actually, even before you get to Crenshaw, for the eastbound side of the 105. At this point, I don't think you need an alternate. You should be all right. It just cost you a couple extra minutes. Hollywood Freeway southbound is still slow from Melrose. Might have a crash near Alvarado that looks like it might be clearing. Now, we do have a signaler for the North 101 right before Universal City. 2 left lanes shut down. Deadly motorcycle wreck. So the investigation is continuing right now from Hollywood Boulevard northbound 101. That's going to be tough. 14 northbound. Reports of a car fire. There's your slowing. 14 north right at the 5. So right where the freeway splits. And that looks like it might end up backing up onto the 5 freeway. South 14, before Soledad Canyon, about a mile or 2 before Soledad Canyon. All lanes now opened up, and we had all lanes stop here to clear this injury crash. And still a little bit of slowing there that you've got to deal with. Santa Monica 10, still a little slow from La Cienega, but you're moving. Same thing for the 405. A little slower than usual. Off 10 down to the 90. Next report, 8:25. From the Toyota Uplandor.com 24-hour traffic center.
Temperatures continuing to get cooler across Southern California for now, but not for long. We'll see cool and breezy conditions last through Saturday, and then a warm-up heading our way as we head into Sunday, and early next week we see a return of the Santa Ana wind. With Southern California's most accurate and dependable forecast, I'm KCAL's meteorologist Evelyn Chaff, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Discussion of proposals for expanding the LA City Council is funded until the new year after a city hall meeting today. According to the plan, the lack of representation in the 51
Tracy's Park. And 11th Council District. So what sense are being with us, Tracy?
This is right that we have.
Basically, that you are a skeptic, am I correct, when it comes to expanding the numbers of council people on the council, is that right?
You know, I do have some very serious concerns and questions about it.
Okay, so you're a skeptic, so that's great. Why are you skeptical?
The concept that potential expansion has been presented to voters in the past and has been unsuccessful. There is certainly no question that the council districts are large and that there are many constituents who need to be served. If the problem that we are trying to solve for is the level of responsiveness of the council office because the districts are so large, then I think there are some other more cost-effective, efficient ways of addressing that issue. For example, funding council staff positions. The other is the provision of basic city services.
Okay.
In Los Angeles,
This is
we
really
have a
weird.
staffing crisis
Guys,
in virtually
what they're
every single
doing.
city department. And my
Okay, don't know
priority
what's
is to
going on.
focus
I
on
don't
filling those
know.
and get our delivery.
Guys, if it is good enough to have more representation for smaller amounts of people, everywhere else in the United States, including